Hello and Namaste. Today we are going to talk about relationships. The signs that indicate that your relationship is probably coming to an end. Or maybe this is the time that you need to step up and save your relationship. So, to know what are these subtle signs, please stay with me till the end of this video. To all those who have already subscribed to my channel, I'm so grateful, I'm so thankful to each one of you. And those who have not yet subscribed or liked my channel, please go ahead and subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and support me. So what are these subtle signs that indicate that your relationship is probably coming to a slow halt? I say a slow halt because most relationships give you an indication that there is something wrong. So there is still time for you to work on it. So the first sign, of course, is lack of communication. This is the time when you can save your relationship. So when the communication starts coming down, it's an indication that something is not right. So if you want to save your relationship at that time, you can step up. You can work on your communication. So when the communication is reducing, you used to talk a lot and now it does not happen anymore. The other person is busy all the time. Now, these are the basic indications that the relationship is not going where it should be going. The second point again is related to communication, and that is aggressive communication. Here you are talking. There is no lack of communication. There is a communication channel open, but whenever you talk, you end up fighting with each other. That's a huge red flag that the things are now going to come to a stop. Third, again, as far as communication is concerned, is lack of deep conversations. Yes, you are having the general shallow conversations. How was the day? What did you eat? Did you sleep? Those kind of communications are happening, but you're not going into deep conversations. Deep conversation means there is no discussion about whatever is going wrong between both of you. You need to discuss and solve. There is no effort put to solve a problem. It is always swept under the carpet, and then again it is pulled out whenever that issue comes up again, and then you again fight. So the deep conversation which can seal a relationship is no more there. This is another indicator that things are not working. Another point, same on the lines of conversation, is discussion of your future. You no more discuss your future plans. So when I say future, I don't mean huge plans. I mean even the small plans. Okay, let's meet this time. You're not making any plans to meet each other. You're not making plans to spend time with each other. So these things are not happening. Another indicator, of course, is physical intimacy. You are not attracted to your partner like you were before. You can feel the change. You can feel the shift. Another sign is when you do not enjoy their company. You're not happy in their company. You don't feel safe. You don't feel secure. You're just there. That is another indicator that your relationship is probably slowly taking its last breath. These are things probably which you cannot even rectify. You cannot, you cannot create chemistry. It is either there or it's not there. But these are signs that you need to look for. A relationship should be your safe place, and if it is not your safe place, then sadly it is not the relationship that you need or should be in. For both the partners, whether it's a boy or the girl, a relationship should always be your safe place. There are multiple problems out there in the world, and you should be always coming back to your partner. And if that is not happening, then this is not your safe place. And that speaks a lot for the relationship. Communication channel should always be open. It is not important just to listen to the other person. It is also important to communicate what you feel, because most of the problems happen when you do not express what you feel. Nobody is a telepathic reader over here, mind reader over here, to understand what you are feeling without being told. So be a good listener, but also speak out when something is not right. So these are the few indicators, very subtle but very, very, very out there for you to see. I hope nobody is going through these signs right now, and all of your relationships are blissful, happy, and satisfying. However, for all of you who probably noticed that your relationship is going through few of these signs, I hope you are able to save it before it is too late. And if it is not, it's fine. Please take a call, step back, and move on. I hope this helps. Hari Om Tat Sat.